everyone, I'm Dr. Amrita, a conservative dentist and endodontist. So today we'll be discussing about endodontic hand files. Endodontic hand files are manually operated endodontic instruments used for cleaning and shaping of root canals in root canal therapy or any other endodontic procedures. Stainless steel and nickel titanium root canal instruments have replaced the before used carbon steel instrument because they are more flexible, less likely to fracture and less susceptible to corrosion. Smaller size instruments, meaning files, are manufactured from square planks and are more resistant to torque fractures, whereas large size instruments, they are manufactured from triangular blocks as this improves their cutting efficiency. Now the general classification of endodontic instruments: Group 1, hand operated endodontic instruments, which includes broaches, files, reamers. Group 2, non-rotary endodontic instruments used with a handpiece, which includes engine-driven instruments, ultrasonic and sonic instruments. Group 3, rotary endodontic instruments used with a handpiece. Now, some of the hand-operated files are K-type files, K-flex files, Flexar files, H files, safety headstrom files, uni files, and S files. So coming to K files, which are the most commonly used hand files, it is manufactured by the Kerr Manufacturing Company. It is used with a rasping or pulling motion. Traditional files are usually square in cross section and they have tighter flutes compared to reamers which have looser flutes. Files have more number of flutes than reamer. So basically the difference between files and reamers, files have tighter flutes when compared to reamers, and also they have more number of flutes than a reamer. Now K-flex files, it is a modification of the K file. It is rhomboidal or diamond shaped in cross section, which increases the flexibility and cutting. Rhomboidal blanks produce alternating high and low flutes. Flexar files, it is also another modification of K file. The cutting tip angles are reduced here. It makes the file stay more efficiently centered within the canal. So these are the different cross sections of the K files and the different modifications of K files. And basically smaller size files, K-flex, K-reamer files and K files have square cross section. Larger size files have triangular cross section, and the K-flex files, which is a modification of K file, has a rhomboidal cross section. Now coming to the headstrom files. So these are made from round stainless steel wire. They have higher cutting efficiency than K files, that is they have more positive rake angle, but it should be employed only in one direction, that is retraction, and never torquing motion should be used. So they have a teardrop cross section. These you can see on the right side, the cross section of headstrom files, and also the modifications which are the uni file and S files. So safety headstrom, it is a modification of headstrom with a non-cutting side. And then we have uni files, which is another modification which has a round stainless steel wire with cut out superficial grooves to produce flutes in a double helix design. It is less subjected to fracture but are less effective. And we have high flex files, which has a cross section which represents the S-shaped files, and S file, which has a double helix cross section and is a variation of the uni file. So that's all regarding the files, different types of files. So we can conclude that hand-operated endodontic files may be time-consuming, but it is wise to use hand files as well, because of good tactile sensation required during the cleaning and shaping of root canal. It also reduces the excessive widening of root canal that might weaken the tooth. So this is the importance of using hand files. Thank you.